Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Themify Builder plugin is active and updated. This prevents compatibility issues. Next, open the page you want to edit and enable the builder, because the live canvas makes placement faster. Once done, pick the widget area or column and drag the Themify widget module into position. Make sure to choose the correct column width and responsiveness options so the widget displays properly on desktop, tablet, and mobile. You now configure the widget settings to control how it looks and behaves. First, select the widget type and populate the title and content fields. This is the core of what visitors will see. Then adjust style controls, margins, padding, fonts, and colors to match your design system because visual consistency matters. Finally, enable responsive settings, choose entrance animation if needed, and set visibility so the widget appears only where you want it to. You finish by previewing the page, publishing, and testing the widget across devices to confirm layout and behavior. Once published, clear any site and browser cache if changes don't appear immediately. Caching often masks updates. If problems persist, open the browser console to check for JavaScript errors and temporarily disable other plugins to identify conflicts. If you find a conflict, revert or update the interfering plugin. Then reapply your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.